that's an interesting item right there. It's definitely been hot and melty. Carson, stop poking me with the multimeter. So, we need to find why we have no freaking power. Okay. So, down here, Carson. So I just did that, and I just noticed the windshield wiper moved when I did it. Okay, so that works. Okay, so we know the starter relay is good. Are you actually rolling? Okay, cut. So while we're chasing, we did pull the ignition switch. We have no power anywhere. Look at this hacky work. Like, who dumps a whole tube of Permatex black to seal the steering column? And they also did it down over there. I can't see it. Ah! Where them red wires is. What in the hell? Okay, so now we need to chase for a voltage. No voltage at ignition switch. That's some external radio nonsense I'm not even going to screw with. And we took a bunch of wiring out of here for that external whatever the fuck. So, we're going to probe all of our leads here at the bulkhead connector, see if we have power anywhere, and then we will trace back to our interior side. All right, so we got the bulkhead connector pushed out of the firewall. Now we're going to probe for continuity. All right, so bulkhead connector, can't see it in there, but bulkhead connector, oh, there you go, kind of the ignition hot from the bulkhead connector from the firewall to the coil is good. Okay. Underhood harness to firewall is out. We can test individually, make sure we have power. Fun, right, Carson? Mm-hmm. You ready for lunch, huh? Yeah, me too. We're almost done. Well, we have power going to the voltage regulator. At least that piece is good. John 64 T-Bird. There's a lot of wiring yucky going on here.